For the next 2 days, we will be reviewing our stay with Harvest Host at Vermillionville in Lafayette, Louisiana. We're in the heart of Cajun country, and Vermillionville pays tribute to the Cajun culture. Vermillionville offers their Harvest Host guests 2 options to park. We chose to park in the parking lot outside of the gates because we had an early morning appointment. However, we could have chosen to park inside the gates. There's a nice picnic area under the oak trees to eat. This is the ticket office and also the souvenir shop. We enjoyed the short but very nice nature trail. So we had a great night sleeping here at Vermillionville. We felt very secure. This is inside the ticket office and souvenir shop. There's some nice souvenirs here, including Cajun cookbooks, homemade soap, and of course jewelry and t-shirts. This is the entrance to the Cajun village where we can visit homes and are greeted by many of the staff who are dressed in period clothing and tell us a lot about Cajun history and culture. The Vermillionville Brew House. Please pour with care. There's the cooking school. They call that cuisine the cooking school, Cajun. Here we can see the Bayou Vermilion. And I'm going to get a closer shot for you. The Vermilion Bayou, or Bayou Vermilion. And the Performance Center. Of course, the Native Americans lived here long before the Cajuns arrived. Here's a man dressed in his Native American attire, speaking in Cajun French to visitors from France.
Il n'y avait que 3 chambres, la chambre là, la chambre ici et la chambre de le dernier. Ça fait que tu avais 11 personnes dans 3 chambres. Il fallait que tu aimes tout le monde. Dans le mur, nous avons ça, on appelle le bousillage. C'est un mélange d'argile et la mousse espagnole. Ah. En France, tu avais le torchis qui était de l'argile et de la paille qui mettaient ensemble. Et quand ils sont venus ici, c'est nous qui avons cherché le premier français. Pourquoi pas faire comme nous, on faisait avec nos habitations, utiliser la mousse espagnole.
And here we can go inside the homes and see how the early Cajuns lived. Actually, this home explains the Native American culture before the Cajuns arrived or during the early Cajun arrival. This is 19th century Native American winter wear called a capote. We're now visiting the Trapper's Cabin and Boat Shed.
Woke up late, missed the morning glaze, but the sunlight hits.
And here's another woman dressed in period attire.
Yes, this is where I quilt. I'm very thankful I learned this craft at 6 years old from my grandmother. This particular one, when it's finished, will go to my oldest sister for her 50th wedding anniversary. This is my gift to her.
Oh, wow, she'll love it.
I know she will. This is one of the real houses that was brought to the property.
Uh-huh.
Both rooms are bedrooms with a bedroom upstairs called a garçonniere, which is for the older boys. Your kitchen would have been detached 10, 12 feet in the back, followed by the outhouse further out. Your front porch would serve as your living room. When people come, you don't bring them into your bedroom, so you visit outside.
Okay.
The spinner and weaver work would have been outside because to do that in the house is a fire hazard.
And this is the schoolhouse.
My grandfather played the accordion.
This is the prie-dieu, which many Cajuns had in their bedrooms. In other words, it means pray to God. And this is the book vault house. This is the inside of the Broussard home, and from what I understand, Mr. Broussard is the man who led the Cajuns to Louisiana from Nova Scotia. Here's the Native American Common Ground. Well, it's finally time for lunch. I can't wait. This is La Cuisine de Maman, or Grandma's Kitchen. Find it. For lunch, we ordered the special, which was a perfectly seasoned seafood gumbo and fried catfish topped with a delicious shrimp sauce. The special included one of the best bread puddings I've ever eaten, and all of this for $11. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel. It really helps.